Welcome to the Life Coach Academy's coaching video series. In this session, we will discuss how to fix your emotional pattern. If you list all the various emotions you feel throughout the day and over the past week or month, you can recognize your emotional patterns in 4 categories. 1. Positive emotions that are easy to feel. 2. Negative emotions that are easy to feel. 3. Positive emotions that are difficult to feel. And 4. Negative emotions that are difficult to feel. The positive emotions that are easy to feel and the negative emotions that are difficult to feel are your strengths. They help you move forward, navigate life's journey, and achieve your goals. However, the blockages lie in the negative emotions that are easy to feel and the positive emotions that are difficult to feel. To simplify, let's imagine 2 bowls of emotions. One is the difficult bowl, and the other is the easy bowl. When you place negative emotions in the easy bowl, it brings you down and makes you feel low easily. Similarly, when you place certain positive emotions in the difficult bowl, it makes those positive emotions hard to experience. This creates a blockage in your life, hindering your personal growth and accomplishments. To fix this emotional pattern, you need to identify and list all the emotions lying in these 2 bowls. Bowl A, negative emotions that are easy to feel, and Bowl B, positive emotions that are difficult to feel. The next step is to consciously remove all the conditions and terms you have attached to the positive emotions that are difficult to feel. Stay open-minded and practice experiencing those missing positive emotions through mindfulness and positive affirmations. For example, if you find it difficult to feel loved because certain conditions are missing, eliminate those conditions and practice feeling love with an open mind. Make it easy for others to love you and make it easy for you to love others. Don't attach conditions to love. It's as simple as that. Similarly, you need to apply more conditions to the negative emotions that are easy to feel. For instance, if you get angry easily, tell yourself, I won't feel angry unless someone irritates me for at least 3 hours. This may sound funny, but it is highly effective. By addressing these emotional patterns, you can remove blockages, foster personal growth, and achieve greater emotional balance. Don't forget to subscribe for more empowering content. Watch the next lesson for deeper insights on manifesting your goals.